Welcome to this episode of Techsperts, where the students become the technology experts.
In today's video, we are going to look at how can you organize your Google Drive. One of the first things that you want to do is make sure that every document that's in your Google Drive has a title. To do that, if you have a document that has no title, you can click it to open it, and then up in the top left corner, next to the icon that looks like Docs, once your document loads, you can add the title here. So that's the first step in helping to organize your Google Drive. The next thing we're going to look at is how can you add a folder to your drive. Adding a folder is a great way to organize all of your materials in one place. For example, it might be beneficial to add a folder that has all of your elementary school stuff. To do that, we're going to come up to the top and we're going to click New, and then we're going to click Folder. Once you click Folder, there will be a space for you to type the name of that folder. So go ahead and give it a name. And once you've given it a name, you'll select Create. After you've made that folder, you will notice that it's now in your Google Drive. There's also the ability to change the color of your folder. This could be a great way to highlight certain folders that you use often. To do that, you'll right-click on the folder and select Change Color, and then choose the color that you'd like. Now your folder is that color.